Morning everybody. Today discuss exercise 9.1. Again solve question number 10 because in previous video this question some mistakes of in this question because my mind is off due to some domestic problem, so we will again discuss this question. So solve this question. Here figure this. So in use triangle, first this triangle ABO. In triangle ABO, take ratio AB upon BO. So AB upon BO is equal to 30 degree. Imply that this B let AB is H. So here H upon BO is equal to 1 upon root 3. Imply that H is equal to BU upon root 3. Take this as the first equation. Again in this triangle CDO, in triangle CDO, take ratio CD upon DO, this is T, is equal to 60 degree. Imply that this is let H upon DO is equal to 60 is root 3. So imply that H is equal to root 3 DO. This is equation second. From equation first and second, here both equation LHS are equal, so RHS also equal. So we will write here root 3 OD is equal to BU upon root 3. The cross multiply here, so this is 3 OD is equal to OB. Here given the total distance is 80 meters, so OD plus OB is equal to 80 meter. So here OD also OD is equal to, here OB value, put value of OB is equal to 80 minus OD. So put value here, 3 OD is equal to 80 minus OD. Transfer here, so this is the 4 OD is equal to 80. Imply that OD is equal to 20 meter, and put value in equation second. Then H is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Again OV is equal to 80 minus OD. So put the value of OD, 80 minus OD is 20 meter. So this is 16 meter. Answer. Next question is 11th question. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal from a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the height of the canal. So draw the figure here. This is the figure and this is tower. So here in this triangle is take ratio, this ratio and this. So AB and triangle ABC. AB upon BC is equal to 10 60 degree. So we let here AB is H X, so X upon AB is H, here H and BC is X is equal to 10 60 root 3. So here H is equal to root 3 X. Now again take the triangle, complete triangle ABD and triangle ABD. Take ratio AB upon BD is equal to 10 30 degree. So here what is the value of AB? AB is take H upon BD is 20 plus X. This is 20 and this is X. So complete value is 20 plus X is equal to 10 30 is 1 upon root 3. Imply that cross multiply here. So this is H is equal to 20 plus X upon root 3. That this is first equation, this is second equation. From equation first and second, LHS here equal LHS and LHS equal, so there RHS also equal. So compare root 3 X is equal to 20 plus X upon root 3. So imply that take the cross multiply 3x is equal to 20 minus plus x. So x transfer here. So this is 2x is equal to 20. That means x is equal to 20 upon 2. This is 10 meter. This value put in equation first. Put value of x in equation first. So h is equal to 10 root 3 meter. Answer. Next question. Next question is 12th question. 12th question. From the top of the 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of the foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So here draw the figure. Here given the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree. Top of the tower and top of the building. So this is 60 degree and here given the angle of depression is 45 degrees. So this is 45. We also know that alternate interior angle are equal if the two sides are parallel. This is and this is parallel. So this is 45 degree. Take here in triangle. Here let this is x, so this is also x, so this is triangle CEA. In triangle CEA, the height, let this is h, here let this is h, this value is h. Take here, so h upon x is equal to 10 60 degree. So 10 60 degrees root 3. So here h upon x is equal to root 3. That is imply that h is equal to x root 3. This is first equation. Again take this triangle, a small triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, take ratio AB upon BD. This is B, this is 10 45 degree. So imply that AB is 7 meter upon this is let x. So this is 10 45 is 1, that is x is equal to 7 meter. So here put the value of h in this first equation. Put in equation first. So h is equal to 7 root 3 and the complete height of tower is h plus 7. So here height of tower is equal to CD. And what is CD? CD is the h plus 7 meter. So what is the h? H is 7 root 3 plus 7. Take the value common 7. So this is root 3 plus 1 meter. Again further solve. So you will put the value of root 3 and multiply by 7. So answer is here. Again question is 13. 13th question is as observed from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse. From the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If the ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the towers. Two ships. So we will find the distance in two ships. So here can give the angle of depression. So this angle is 30 and complete angle is 45 degree. So this angle is 30 degree because alternate interior angle, and this is the 45. This is the alternate interior angle. So in triangle ABC, AB upon BC. AB upon BC. This is 10:45 degree. What is the AB? AB is 75 meter and BC is, you have no value BC, so BC is equal to 10:45 is 1. So imply that BC is equal to 75 meter. Again take the triangle here, complete triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, take the ratio AB upon BD. AB upon BD is equal to 10:30 degree. So put the value of 10:30 is 1/√3. And what is AB? AB is just 75 or BD is BD. So here 1/√3. Imply that cross multiply. So this is 75√3 is equal to BD. So what is the value of BD? BD is the CD plus BC. So we will here value of BD is BC plus CD. BD is equal to CD. So what is CD? CD here, BC is 75. So put the value of BC. BC is equal to 75 meter. CD. Transfer here 75√3 9. 75 is common value, so this is √3 minus 1 is equal to CD. So CD is equal to 75√3 minus 1 meter. We will also find the value of, again further put the value of √3, so minus and multiply 75. Answer is. Next question is 14. A 1.5 meter tall girls spot a balloon moving with the wind in the horizontal live at the height of 88.2 meter from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of girls at inside is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by balloon traveling the interval. So this is the initial position and this is the next position. Change position. So first is 60 degree and second is 30 degree, and girls is CD 1.2 and this is 88.2 meter. So in triangle ACE, ACE, in this triangle, so AB upon CE. Sorry, AE upon CE. This is tan 60 degree. What is AE? So the complete value is this is 88.2 meter, and this value is 1.2 meter. So what is the value of this? So here BG and AE is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2. So this is complete value is 0.87. So here put the value 87 upon CE. This is value of tan 60 degrees root 3. So CE is equal to 87 upon root 3. So take this value first. Again triangle BGC. In triangle BG, so BG upon GE is equal to tan 30 degree. So what is the value of BG? BG is 87 upon here GC. Here the complete triangle BGC. Sorry, this is complete triangle GC. So this is BG upon GC. GC is equal to 1 upon root 3. So imply that GC is equal to 87 root 3. So here what the value of GC? So GC is CE plus EG. CE plus EG is equal to GC. Okay, GC. So put the value of here CE plus GE is equal to 87 root 3, and here value of CE is equal to 87 upon root 3. Okay, 87 upon root 3. So put the here value 87 upon root 3 plus GE is equal to 87 root 3. So GE is equal to 87 root 3 minus 87 upon root 3. So here take LCM is root 3. Cross multiply, so this is 3. 87 into 3 minus 87 upon root 3. So what is the value of GE? To solve this value is completely 87 into 2 upon root 3. This is rationalize the value. If rationalize the value, so value is complete value is 3 and 4 7 root 3 meter, this value. And so what is the change the position value of this value, the distance. This is first position is this position and second position this, so value travel, the distance is this distance, so this is answer. Next question is 15 question. So straight highway lead to the foot of the tower. Standing at the top of the tower, observe the car at the angle of the depression is 30 degree with the approaching the foot of the tower with the uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found the 60 degree. So find the time taken by the car to reach foot of the tower, and here find this value, time of this cover this distance. So here so this figure here, so this is 30 degree, so this angle is 30 degree and this complete angle is 60 degree, so this is 60 degree in triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, so AB upon DB AB upon DB is equal to 10 60 degree. What is AB? AB, let here H, BD is equal to root 3, imply that, so H is equal to, and sorry, H upon root 3 is equal to BD. This is first equation. Next time, in triangle ABC, so AB upon BC is equal to 10 30 degree. So imply that 10 30 is 1 upon root 3 and AB is H, and what is BC? BC is BD plus CD, so BD plus CD is equal to 1 upon root 3. Cross multiply here, so this is BD plus CD is equal to H root 3. Okay, so here value of BD is H upon root 3, so put the value of BD is H upon root 3, so H upon root 3 plus CD is equal to H root 3. So CD is equal to H root 3 minus H upon root 3. So complete LCM is root 3. So here 3H minus H. So complete value is 2H upon root 3. This is the value of CD. CD is 2 upon H, 2H upon root 3. Two values, and we will find the speed of car. So speed of car is equal to distance upon time. So distance, what is distance? Here distance cover CD, so CD upon time is 6. So here speed is, what is the CD? CD is 2H upon root 3 into 6. So speed is equal to 10, 2 1 2, 2 3 6. So this is the H upon root 3, 3 root 3. This is speed. But find the time travel the distance dv. So time is equal to travel distance is time is equal to distance into speed. So put value of distance is bd and speed is h upon 3 root 3. H upon 3 root 3. So what is the bd? Here not, this is not sign divide. What is the bd? So bd here h upon root 3. So put the value. Sorry, this is not speed, divide here sign distance upon speed. So this is sign divide here because time is equal to distance upon speed. So put the value here. bd is equal to h upon root 3. So h upon root 3, change this divide sign and multiply. So this is 3 root 3 upon h. So this is cancel out, root 3 cancel out. So this is time is 3 seconds. Thank you. And next question is 16th question. We will here draw the graph of this question. So this question solve you in homework simply. This is simple question for you. Thank you.